Okay, welcome to another video that we discuss some functions. So to begin with, what is a function in programming? So a function is like a block of code which is only executed when it is called. A block of code which only runs when it is called. What I mean by that is that une code yaunenge wagroupa into a string and it like then that code will only be executed once you call the name of the function. And so to declare a function, you use the keyword def to define a function. Then you give the function name, like the function name. You can give a name but you have to use the word def, the function name, something like this. Then washanisana parentheses ubvaisa full colon ndoreva kuti patagumira pefunction idokuda kupinda mufunction board manje unonyora code ichaitwa nefunction yako, like kana iri mota ine mafunctions ainenge inawo akawanda, like to move, to stop. So like kana iri move function inenge ichitransition from stopping to moving. Kana yanga iri stop function, once it's called it transition state from moving state to stopping state. And so a function inongo execute chete, inongo run chete when it's called, like motor inongo stop kana wabaya machi mabrakes, watsika mabrakes, kana kufamba kana waistart chete. So ndo mafunctions iwayo anenge achishanda iwayo. So for example munomu wovaita function called here, nditi unenge wato declare function like this. So let's say you want to write a function that add two numbers. When we call a function toda kuadd two numbers. So tinoti mafunction parameters, arguments anoreceive ne function. And let's say first num panapa, first and second number, toda kuadd zvinhu izvozvo. Then a function will return like kana wakaita maths kune atinoti quadratic equation nemachichi. A function will receive input, a function of x. This is a function of first name and second name. Then there is an output yanofana kubudisa. That output kunokuti chichi inofana kureturn something. What it inofana return output, and output yatiri kuda first do the sum yedu yai first plus second number. So when we want to execute this function, we have to call it like function name over such a function of 3 and 5. So a function of 3 and 5 since a function yedu addition, you are adding 2 3 and 5 and did it. So panapa run up this function. Oh sorry, I forgot to print. And maona tapana print pa state pa screen because atina kudi display our output panapa. Then we have to print the result yatinenge towana. Like for example here 8. So if I change here, again it's 77 plus 5, which should be 82. 82, as you can see, my working function. So you define a function, then give it a name. Kana inokwanisa kunge ine arguments function, kana kunge isina arguments. Arguments this first and second. And then after that, full colon. Full colon represent kuti takupinda function board matichanonyora code about the function. Nokwanisa yakatokura this function ichiita maoperation like tokona kuto. It's not like munongoisa return chete, nokwanisa set a variable rotononzi result of what it equal to this value. Instead of return over what no return a result. You see, you can write a lot of code muno. See the same output. So unokwanisa kunyora code yakawanda muno mufunction, then you return the output. Pane mamwe mafunction anenge asinga return output, mamwe anenge aida kuchinja state of some variable outside that function. Inongochinja state nechichi zvakasiyana siyana, but asingadawo kureturn something like an output. Then you print, you call the function when you want to use it, wherever you want to use it, you call it, you have to call it. They want to do this. Mota kangona yangostopa usina kukola the stop kuika. Stop function panenge atora maerror anofana tenda kunoservisiwa that error, that car. So that's how a function will operate. So it's wiser kugroupa your code into functions. Like kana wakudevelopa ma-applications akati kana kuti kana uchiita assignment yako yakati wandirika, unokwanisa kungone assignment 1 nemapart a b c nekuita zvinhu zviri different. Let's say it's a sales management system, unongoda kucalculate profit, unogona kucreate function yekucalculate profit, function yekucapture masales nemapurchases, function yekuita database connection, kucloser, kuona kuti something exists here kana mafile operations akasiyana siyana ndidi. That's how a function is an advantage in helping you simplify your code. The another advantage is to declare function like this, you can reuse your code. You can call it wherever you want. Instead of work another file, when download it, rewrite the same code again. Unongonoita repa zvako zvese zvaunoda kunyora inside the function. It's now simple. That's how you create a function. So panapa function name, you can give any name you want, but marules ndekuti usaisa maspace. That's why uchiona kana une mawords maviri auda kuseparate and underscore like this. Don't try to do something like first space name. You see part underline or that part one. Either you can say you can use this one underscore na use first function voice a capital name kana ngoisa ako chiri chiname, so but readability yacho inenge yavashoma manje because that some code ive readable andidi. So you can put capital so that inoonekwa kuti it's a first and a name, kana kuisa underscore and a name like this. Yeah, she's right up also. That's all about function. Thank you.